Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to connect your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 controller to your iPad Pro or any iPad or Apple device. Very easy steps on how to get this connected. First, you wanna locate the two buttons are needed to prepare this controller to connect to the iPad, which are the PlayStation button and the share button. So what you need to do first, you want to go on settings, then you want to turn on your Bluetooth on the iPad. So right here you want to press these two buttons and keep holding. When you see it flickering like this, that means it's ready to connect. And as you see right here, it says DualSense wireless controller. Once you click on that, it's going to connect. Now you see the blue lights are on, then it goes to orange, then you'll see this white light right here. Now that means it's connected. Now we're going to try and see how it plays on any games. So let's go with this game. It's called Forgotten Memories. And we're gonna see how the controls on this game. As you see right here, it does have, you can customize your own controls, but as you see, it does work just like if you're playing PlayStation. So let's see how it goes right here. So now these buttons right here does not work to control. You would need to use the joystick. Now every game is different. It depends on the game and how the settings are set up. So you will have to look at the controls and see which buttons would work and which buttons would not. Now the one thing that would not work if you are doing this is the vibrate. So you can just use it as a regular controller, just no vibrate, just like if you're playing your PlayStation. So this is it guys. If you found this video helpful to you and you want to see some more helpful videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.